Alright guys, so what I want to talk to you guys about is the Facebook Pixel. So if you've heard anything about Facebook Pixels, you probably heard it's this mysterious thing. It can sound kind of crazy, and I want to break it down really quick and just make this a short video on understanding why the Facebook Pixel is important, what it is, and how we can use it. So the first thing is the Facebook Pixel is actually just a little bit of code that we can put onto our website, onto landing pages, really any type of page on the internet that we have that allows us to put into a header code. So if you have a website, if you run a website, it goes right into your header code, or if you have a landing page, right into your header code, and it works similar to Google Analytics. It's going to start tracking every single person that clicks on your website or on that landing page. Wherever the code is, it's going to start to be able to track people. And by track, it doesn't mean it's going to identify every single person with their name, but what it does is it's almost like a clicker. If you've ever seen a bouncer at a bar or a club, right, and they have a fire hazard number that they can't go over, so you see the guy clicking as people go in. The Facebook Pixel essentially works that way. But what's super cool about it is it can track very specifically not just who's come to your website, but the specific pages on your website. So the very first thing is it can track our followers, as we just went over. The second thing is the power of segmentation. So what I mean by that is people who go to your homepage of your website can be tracked with the Facebook Pixel. And what it will do on your Pixel is say, hey, someone went to my homepage. But we can also create custom events, or for different pages, we can create a little extra bit of code that's going to allow Facebook to say, hey, this person also went to, let's say, a neck pain page, or a page that you have about your services, right? And what's super cool about that is that we can segment them for further down the road when we want to do retargeting, which retargeting is something we're going to dive into later in the course. But I just wanted to mention now some of the power that once we can use this pixel to track people, segment them, and then retarget them, the ability for us to meet people where they are. So as we talk more and more about cold traffic versus warm traffic, cold being people no one has, or people who have not been introduced to your world before, to your content before, versus warm traffic, right? People who we know have been following your content. We've segmented them, right? So maybe they're always going to your neck pain information pages, so we can segment them as neck pain people. And then we can retarget them with ads or content that's going to be based around their needs. So that's a quick rundown of the Facebook Pixel. There are tons of videos out there that dive into sort of the understanding and algorithm part of the Pixel, but I just want to give you a quick understanding of why this is so important. And honestly, it is the fundamental aspect of running Facebook ads. Without this, running Facebook ads would be having a Ferrari with no engine. The Pixel is that important. And so I hope you're ready for this next video where I'm going to show you exactly how to create and set up your very first Facebook Pixel.